Hey guys, it's Jay. Welcome back to a new video. If you don't know me, you're about to know me. And today we're going to be doing a McDonald's mukbang, and I'm going to be giving underclassmen advice. First off, if you're a freshman, stay out of the mess. Everybody's not your friend, everybody's not your partner. If you go around telling your business to somebody that you think is your friend, you're probably going to get caught up in some stuff and it's not going to benefit you whatsoever. You might even get into fights. So, if you are going around telling your business, let's hope you got them hands. Really pay attention to what your teachers and your counselors are telling you, especially your counselors. Your counselors are the ones that are helping you set up your path to success. And also listen to your teachers like really well and take notes, because when you're actually paying attention to what the teacher is saying, you'll find yourself getting more work done and you'll find your grades going up. On the topic of grades going up, do tutoring as much as you can. Like, even if you feel like you're really good at a subject, I still do tutoring, because this could also benefit you for sophomore year. Sophomore year, you're kind of revisiting a lot of the same subjects, but it's just more added on. Use your freshman year to get your credits out the way. Take as much classes as your school allows you to, but don't overwhelm yourself with classes, because then you're going to be stressing yourself out and then you're not even going to be able to enjoy your high school experience. A really important key role for your freshman year is to have fun. Like, don't stress yourself out thinking about your future just yet, because you have junior and senior year for that. Have fun, go to as much parties as you get invited to, try out for different sports, do different clubs, just try out for anything, do anything. Be more involved with your community, because you'll find yourself having way more fun, and just do as much extracurriculars as you can, because freshman year is the year where you do find yourself and you find what path you are going to take for your entire future. Okay, sophomores, it's your time to shine. You're finally not a freshman no more. You leveled up, but you're still an underclassman. So remember that. So this is your year to experiment. Experiment with other things that you found out you were interested in previously freshman year, and try to branch out in those skills, if that makes sense. Like for me, I found out I was interested in track my freshman year, and it was never something that I wanted to do like eighth grade, seventh grade year. I never even thought I would be running track until I got to freshman year, and I was like, wait, this is kind of interesting. And now I do cross country, I run on the track, I work out. I'm like, I would have never done this stuff in eighth grade. It's so weird. Just try and branch out and try to master your skills, or perfect your skills. Okay, now if you want to be a scholar, listen to this. If you don't want to be a scholar, then just skip past this part. Challenge yourself. This year you should take as many APs as you can, or as your school allows you to. For me, I did not do that my sophomore year, but I did want to be a scholar, but it's whatever now. I don't really care. And reach out to your counselor as much as you can. Ask them what APs would be best fit for you and what you want to do in the future, and figure out the best APs that fit your demographic. Parties, y'all. Sophomore year is the year for Sweet 16s and maybe some quinces. So party like there's no tomorrow. Whatever parties you get invited to, ask your parents every chance you get. And you should be known by now, so you should be going to plenty of parties. And if you're not known, then just try to hang out with your friends, your group of friends that you have, as much as you can. Just go out and have fun. You might as well have fun while you're still young. And after this, people might have 17th birthday parties, but the main birthday parties are going to come senior year when they turn 18. So you're not going to have like quinces or sweet 16s after this. Mm. Another really important thing for sophomore year, because sophomore year is like a big jump workload wise. Like freshman year, it's like, okay, it's kind of work, but it's still kind of like middle school. But sophomore year, it's like the real year of high school. It like tests your real skills. With that information, take as much notes as you can. Notes are like really important. Like I feel like listening to the teacher and paying attention is really important, but notes will get you so far because you could go back and look at them. And sometimes teachers or certain subjects revisit like past subjects and units. Yeah, so just take notes. Like I said before, set yourself up for success. Schedule visits with your counselor, talk to your teachers, talk to other upperclassmen like juniors and seniors. Learn from their experiences because that would really help you. If you have one good senior that could help guide you, you're going to be successful throughout high school. And to close this video off, do not put pressure on yourself sophomore year. Pressure will literally break you down. Stress will break you down. Like, you'll find yourself not even wanting to get up in the morning, and you'll find yourself really struggling during sophomore year if you just stress yourself out. Junior and senior years are the years that can help you figure this type of stuff out. Still try to continue what you enjoy and try to figure out what you like still, because this is still an exploration year for you, but you just have to learn to lock in a little bit more with life. But that realization will come naturally because I know like the middle of my sophomore year, I was like, okay, I think I need to lock in with my life. I need to figure out what I have to do, what I'm going to try and do for college, because it's either college, military, or just go straight to work. And I'm not going to the military. Freshmen, if you guys are still watching this, take the sophomore advice too. Don't just take the freshman advice, and don't just go based off what I'm saying, because everybody has their own experiences and your guys' experience could be different from mine. And it could also be based off what school you go to, because every school works different. But I hope this advice did help you, and I hope you got something out of this video, and I hope there's something that you could take into your new school year with. Have fun in the new school year. And if you made it this far, comment what day you start school. And if you already started school, comment what day you started school. And comment what grade you're going to also. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know when I'm coming out with more bangers, because best believe once the school year starts, you're gonna see everything of my life. And I know like school vlogs are kind of interesting and people like to tune in to other people's life. So yeah, if you want to tune into my life, you could follow my socials, number one, and subscribe because I'm going to be posting school vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed. Love y'all. Bye.